Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website right here. It's called Freecash, and you're wondering, can you make free cash from this website? How does it work? How much money are you really going to make? Let's review this entire site, and then you can decide for yourself whether you should be spending time on free cash, or is there a better way to make money online, especially if you're spending time on the internet anyway, right? So free cash is called a GPT website. Get paid to do something, right? And there are a lot of GPT websites out there. I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of them. Some are really good, some are just straight up scams. So it just depends on the site. So you got to be careful, okay? Freecash has been around for about 2 years. It's a global GPT website. And it's pretty legit, I would say, okay? So if you log onto the site, it's a very, very busy website, unfortunately, right? I think they can do a better job of creating a more streamlined website, but it's kind of busy here. And you can just click on the sign up button right on the top. You just click up sign up, and you can enter all these details here. Very easy. Your email name, your username, your password twice, and then you get free access to the site, right? Now, the way that you make money on this website is you can do different tasks, okay? So you can fill out surveys, you can download offers, you can play games, you can take spins. There's lots of little different ways to make money. And once you complete your task, you basically make coins, all right? And then once you've got enough coins, up to about 50 cents US dollars worth of coins, you can withdraw that money, and you can withdraw that money by lots of different ways. You can withdraw your money through PayPal, which is cool, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some other ways as well, all right? Now, 50 cents of a threshold is actually very low. There are a lot of other GPT-style websites where you have to make at least $10 before you can withdraw your money, and it takes a long time on any GPT website to get to up to $10, okay? So the fact that you can get your money out at 50 cents is pretty good, all right? And basically, the big question is how much money can you make, and how does it work, right? Well, it really depends, okay? So for example, if you are testing websites, or you are playing a game, or you're taking a survey, right? Or you're opening up accounts, you're not going to make that much money. You're making literally pennies on the dollar. So they will literally pay you a tenth of 1 cent, a fifth of 1 cent, or maybe 1 or 2 cents for every action that you take in general, all right? If you fill out a survey, you might make, 1 cent up to 50 cents per survey, but it does take a long time for you to fill out a survey because they put you forward to third-party survey websites. So they're kind of like an aggregator, right? So they're not really taking on surveys themselves. They work with other survey websites, they aggregate it, and then they put you forward to these survey websites. So you're making, again, very, very little money from the websites. The only way that you can make bigger money is if you download offers through the offer programs that they offer on Freecash. Okay, so some offers do pay quite a lot of money. You might be able to make $1 on some offers, maybe $5, maybe $10, maybe $20 on some offers. But you have to understand that every offer has a bunch of hoops that you have to jump through in order for you to make that money back. And a lot of the offers require you to spend money before you can make money back. Okay, so be prepared to spend actual money on your own credit cards before you make some of that money back. All right, so in reality, it can be quite tricky in order for you to make the big bucks. But on average, for someone to come onto Freecash and make money, let's just say you were spending 2 or 3 hours a day on this website, you would literally be making a couple of bucks. Okay, so maybe $1, maybe $2, maybe $3, but you'd have to be really squeezing the life out of this website before you can even make that money. Okay, now let's do the math on this. Okay, so let's just say you're making even $2 a day, which is very difficult, by the way. Most people will never make even $2 a day because you have to take literally hundreds and thousands of actions before you can even make that kind of money, unless you are downloading the offers and you're spending your own money on some of these offers, right? But if you're taking just if you're testing the websites, if you're taking the surveys and stuff like that, you have to do a lot of actions, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of actions. Let's just say you make $2 a day times 30 days. You're making like $60 a month, okay? If you're really hammering this website, maybe you make like $100 a month, but you're still spending a lot of time on the website, right? So if you're looking at your per hourly rate is very, very low. It's something like 50 cents an hour, maybe 80 cents an hour that you're making on a website like Freecash. Okay, now that's not that's not individual to Freecash. There are a lot of websites out there that are legitimate, okay, like Prize Rebel, like Inbox Dollars, which are completely legit, but they work exactly the same way as Freecash. So you can't get rich overnight with these websites, and they don't advertise that you're going to become rich. They're just a website that you can make a little bit of money from taking surveys, downloading apps, testing websites, downloading offers, stuff like that, okay? But again, on average, you're making about 50 to 80 cents per hour if you're really, really hammering this website. It's really not that much money, all right? Now, the other problem I would say with Freecash is that if you go to Trustpilot for Freecash, right? They generally have good reviews because they do pay out, which is nice. But they have a lot of negative reviews as well that call them a scam site, okay? And if you look at a lot of these negative reviews, it's mainly because people get banned from creating multiple accounts. And sometimes you might download an offer, and for some reason, it triggers the algorithm that then bans you again, which is not great, all right? So you might find that you will get banned for no reason, and this is kind of the general trend. Although they do a very good job of replying to people and helping you to go to their support and try and get it fixed. Okay, so I don't think a lot of the time it's their fault. But you do get a lot of people that are saying, "Oh, I'm getting scammed. I'm getting banned. Super stupid app. I wasted 7 days on it." Okay, because they use a VPN. Something triggered, and then they got banned. You might make some money that's owed to you, but then you get banned. Look at this. Girlfriend got me to sign up for the site, and then I got banned after that. So again, there's a lot of this biggest scam site ever. Take care, guys. So again, I don't think that they are a scam. Good, but not much, right? They're not a scam. They really do pay out. That's why they've got some pretty high, good reviews here. I mean, 83% excellent, which is quite rare for a GPT website. But again, the problem is that sometimes you get banned, sometimes you don't get the points, sometimes you can't withdraw your money, and the biggest problem is you don't really make that much from a website like GPT. Websites like Freecash, because they're not designed to make you rich. Okay, but overall, it's a good website. Overall. For a GPT site, it does what it says on the tin. That means that yes, you can make, a couple of cents here, a couple of cents there, maybe a couple of dollars every day. But in the grand scheme of things, are you going to become rich? Can you quit your job? Can you become a millionaire? Can you travel the world? Can you spend more time with your family? Absolutely not, because GPT websites are not designed to do that. Okay, they're not designed to do that. They're just designed to make you pennies on the dollar for hours and hours of work that you're going to put in. All right, so decent website for a GPT website. But if you're here and you want to learn how to make big money, we're talking about multiple six figures a year, we're talking about hundreds and thousands of dollars every single day, then I would love to show you the strategy that I implement every single day. If you really want to learn to make the big money, there is a way, but you have to be willing to put in the time, learn the great strategies that really work online to create scale and leverage. If you would like to learn how to do that, I've got a free six-figure workshop that you can check out. If you want completely free, just go ahead and click the link below, register for my six-figure workshop, and then I'm going to show you exactly how I've been able to literally change my life. I've got students generating anything between 10 and 40,000 US dollars a month. Some people earn zero because they don't take action. So you do have to take action on these strategies for it to work. But I would love to show you how to do that on my free workshop. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Hope to see you on another video. Take care and all the best.